This show is going to be very simple. We're going to talk about what everyone wants to know about the XRP chart and how we see it. We'll also talk about the current story going around on Twitter, which is especially interesting because it's about Ethereum going down. Where do we want to look? What's going to happen next? Please do not worry, Rip will take care of you. Why does this happen? Rip's latest comments are interesting. He has said for a few weeks that Ethereum will not be in the top 5 during this bull market. Ethereum hasn't changed since then, and Barron has been selling his shares quickly. Wait until you see this. Everyone, please take a seat now. Take a seat and enjoy your coffee. Because that's what I got. It's time to begin. Item Bitcoin is worth $65,766 right now. It's now up. Ethereum finished at $2,652, which is 3% more than the day before. At this time, it's not available. As of now, XRP is a 35% USDT and USDC that is pegged to each dollar. As if I were a reader, it can fit 60 people. As I said before, we had to break through 60 cents to get to the barriers at 66 cents. We would have to cut through 2 resistance zones first, though, before we could get to that level. After that, it's pretty clear what would happen. Even though XRP is up 2%, we're still going to try to break out and test that 66-cent area again. We hope that we can do that. With a market value of $2 trillion or $316 billion, what will happen to this amount of money in 24 hours? Going forward, I want you to keep an eye out for Bitcoin breaking out above $72,000 since it doesn't usually do that. The market is still very interesting right now. In fact, we can come back in 7 to 10 days or around the end of this week. The price of Bitcoin keeps going down and it may hit a low point of $50,001 more time. That is what you need to pay attention to. That's where Bitcoin XRP is most useful. At the moment, XRP is working on its own. It doesn't care about Bitcoin or Ethereum, and it hasn't for 90 days. Looking at the 90-day chart and periods for different cryptocurrencies, it's clear that XRP has been leading the pack for the past 90 days. But no one wants to talk about XRP, which is up 30% by itself and has been going up, down, and inside. This morning, Solana has 7, BNB is third, Ethereum is down 23.6%, but no one wants to talk about it. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is only up 4%. When you really zoom out and look at the big picture, it's easy to see that XRP is in the lead. A 2-year high was reached between the SP 500 and Bitcoin. What does this mean for people who invest? It was written, according to cryptminute.com, the price of Bitcoin has been going up over the last 7 days. It will end the month on a high note and start October on an even higher one. For a few weeks now, this growth has been going on. The most valuable cryptocurrency hit a high point of $66,000 on Friday, September 27th. New study suggests that there may be a growing link between how well the US stock markets do and the value of the biggest cryptocurrency in the world. What effect might the way investors act have? The SP 500 did better in September than Bitcoin. Let's compare the two by moving down. This is the small chart. Bitcoin's value has grown by an amazing 1.1% in the last 24 hours, as shown by the figure. On the other hand, the SP 500 has stayed between 5.8 and 5.8K, up 4%. Then it says the SP 500 has made a quick and strong return, setting a new all-time high. What we're looking at is pretty easy, and I'll tell you what it is. Your global liquidity rose by $1.4 trillion this week, hitting $131.5 trillion. We are sure that the rise in liquidity is good for Bitcoin and other risky assets, and we think that these gains could last into October. It's likely to keep going until October. We think that the Bitcoin market will go off in October. It looks like we've already shown that XRP has a slight edge in this case. It said screw your October instead of wait for October. It's doing just that now that I'm ready to go on vacation, but XRP is the thing that everyone is looking at. The charts are now here. This map has been in front of you for a while. This chart has been shown to us by Keith. There is a big blue box on it that says go time. What does this box mean to you, in your opinion? People, it's really simple. When we press the box, it means that XRP needs to move in order for it to work right. This doesn't always mean that it will go up. It also means that it might go down. It just means that XRP is about to do something. When this happened, XRP did something and saw a rise. Not much, but a lot of people I know like grip. We are celebrating the 3-cent spike while I drink my coffee, since 60 cents is a key support level. I sent this a tweet. That's pretty easy to understand, especially for people who are new to TA, and it makes the 3 problems clear. One barrier is being faced right now. Are you now in the area with 60 degrees Celsius? When we get to 66 cents, then 75 cents, we can finally have our party. We are watching right now, and this tweet was sent around this time yesterday. This meant that it costs $621 per day. We can say that the clock has moved forward by 24 hours since XRP has been very steady. It's great that we closed above 63 cents today. Let's make that better. What is the easiest way for XRP to go above 66 cents right now? Pretty easy. We want Bitcoin to become more valuable. It will push XRP above 66 cents, but the best case is that XRP goes up above 66 cents on its own, which will keep Bitcoin at the same level. Why? It will go up even more than it can now without the help of Bitcoin or other people in the cryptocurrency market when the rest of the market starts to rise. I hope that XRP goes up to $1 and that the prices of all the other coins stay about the same. That way I know X will go through the roof. Don't forget, Dr. Fitta, our goal for the end of the year is only 75 cents. When the 2008 resistance line breaks, set off an XRP alert and be ready to go. He says it will go down in history. The 7-year story of XRP is almost over, and a big breakthrough is right around the corner. What are you getting ready for? What I'm about to say will blow it out of the water. So here is his chart for 6 months of struggle. The breakout is easy to see because there are so many lights. I have said many times that our goal is 66 cents, so it's not a secret. It's painful to pay 66 cents, but many people don't talk about what comes next. After the 66 cents, the next biggest problem is the 75 cents, which will be broken up into smaller amounts. It will, of course, look into each target. There will be a break. It doesn't matter when it breaks. Things will break down in the end. I don't think 75 cents will go away right away, but I do think it will be gone before the end of the year. I think it will break, but it will need some help. The Bitcoin bull market won't stay in this band forever. XRP is a bad coin that won't even break $1 or fall from its all-time high. Anyone who says that is wrong. It's not alive. You already know the story in this old song and dance that they put out. They're not right. There is a sign telling you to go. They have no idea what's going on and are filled with ignorance. What exactly is going on here? In the list of the top 10 cryptocurrency markets, XRP will do more well than most of them. Yes, Bitcoin will be the leader, but I already told you what I thought and what I thought would happen. XRP is likely to become the third or second biggest cryptocurrency. What will be the first Bitcoin when the bull market ends? That can't be changed, I think. What comes next after Bitcoin? Okay, I think it's pretty clear that either XRP or Solana will win. As I already said, Ethereum will fall out of the top 5. I have made clear predictions about this cycle. There will be no change. For now, we'll keep that look, but I'll let you know. Notes the XRP rise and keeps an eye on it. The first level of pushback, which was 60 cents, is still in place. As soon as we reach 66, we can start talking. In that 75% zone, it is coming and will be there very, very soon.